Students are doing the shapes activity, the recognition of shapes and drawing of the shapes. Let's move to the students. Yes, Adan, better look at your copy. Look at your copy. Yes. Where is circle? Okay. Triangle. Yes. Rectangle. Yes. Oval. Good. Yes. Amarha, your copy have got oval. Very good. Ayat. What is this? Circle. Good. Yes, Vanya. What is this? Vanya, look at me, beta. Vanya, okay. Yes, you. What is this? Yes, Zainab. What is this? Circle. Okay, Umehania. What is this? Oval. Yes, and this is next shape is, what is this? This is rectangle. What is this? Rectangle. Okay. Yes. What is this? Beta, bit louder. Dureshahar. Louder. Yes. What is this? And what is this? This is rectangle. And green वाला में क्या है? Green color का क्या है? Triangle. जोर से बेटा. Dureshahar, look at me. Dureshahar, look at me. Triangle. And this is orange one. Rectangle. Say it again. Rectangle. Yes, Mariam. Yes, Mariam. What is this? Yes. And what is? No, beta. This is not rectangle. This is square. स्क्वायर हैव 4 इक्वल साइड्स. स्क्वायर आपको पता है ना कि जिसकी 4 साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? स्क्वायर. और व्हाट इज अदर? हाँ जी, दूसरी आपकी कॉपी पे क्या पेस्टिंग है? नो, मरियम. व्हाट इज दिस? ट्राइंगल. दिस इज ट्राइंगल. दिस इज ट्राइंगल. जिसके 3 कॉर्नर्स होते हैं. ट्राइंगल कौन होता है? जिसके 3 कॉर्नर्स होते हैं. स्क्वायर होता है जिसके 4 होते हैं लेकिन वह इक्वल साइड्स होती हैं. ठीक है, सबको क्लियर हो गया? यस, अदन, अमरहा, आयत, मरियम, दुरेशहवार, उम्मेहानिया. एंड वेयर इज वानिया? वानिया इज मूविंग आउटसाइड द क्लास. Okay, sit down, Vanya. Sit down. Vanya is going to call her friend. Vanya, what is this now? This is circle? Good. This is circle. Clapping for Vanya. Good. Very good. To tell me now, where is circle? All of you tell me where is circle. Put your fingers on circle. Very good. Circle means round. The shape which is round is called as circle. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, stop. Then square. Square. Okay, then oval. Oval. Good. Then triangle. Triangle have 3 corners. And then rectangle. Rectangle has 2 sides same and 2 sides same, and square has 4 sides equal sides, but rectangle has 2 equal sides and 2 equal sides in the measurement, and circle is round in the shape and triangle have 3 corners. Okay, clear to all of you? Yes. Very good. Very good. Yes. What is this? Circle. Yes. What is this? On your copy, put your finger on your copy. Hurry up. No, beta. Look at your copy. Look at your copy. Yes. Triangle. Yes. Azan. This is triangle. Oh no. Square. Say it again. It is square. Again. Say it again. Square. Yes, you. Square. Square have got the 4 sides. You know what is square? Square have got the 4 sides. Circle. Okay, good. You have got circle. Very good. Very good. And what are the shapes on the table? Circle, square, oval and circle. Two circles are there. One is square and two ovals. Very good.
One square.
One square. Good, very good. One square, two circle and two ovals. Okay, very good.